If you are a lash beginner, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Cosmina. I'm a certified lash artist and I'm also a lash trainer and international speaker. And in this video, guys, I want to talk to you how to get clients as a lash beginner. Even if you are at the beginning, you have to understand how to attract clientele and how to get your clients through the door. So I'm going to give you 5 important things that helped me to become a successful lash artist at the beginning. Number 1, which I think is the most important, you have to be very consistent at posting. And when I say posting, it's very important to attract the clientele and how to attract the clientele. And I'm going to give you the perfect example what we did, me and my husband, because my husband is the one that is taking care of my marketing. I remember we had a campaign on social media, I think was exactly on Facebook, with a before and after picture with a classic set, but it was really nice, like a beautiful perfect set with before and after. And of course, for you, like for clients, if you scroll down on any social media, any platform, and you see a very good quality on a picture and a beautiful set before and after, of course it kind of catch my attention. So we had this before and after with a classic set that we put, the offer, it was 50% off from a regular classic set. And let me just give you an example. The classic set in that time, it was around $200, $190, something like that. So we put 50% off, which was $90 a full set. But the whole idea is, because this is more like marketing, guys, the whole idea was getting the client through the door. Once the client was here, I had 3 laminated pictures with a classic set, a volume set, and a wispy set. And of course, when the client came here, she was like, oh my god, but I love this set better, I love the volume better. And I was super professional. I was explaining, yes, the only difference is right now the offer is for classic application, but I will be happy to do a volume set. Let me check my time. I think I'm going to have enough time for you to create a full set of volume or a wispy set. But the only difference is the price. It's a little bit different just because we're doing and adding more lashes. And of course, guys, for a client, it was like $30-40 extra. It was nothing comparing the difference between this and this. So that was one of the biggest strategy that we did for when I started. And I think we were running that promotion for more than a year because it was very attractive. So that's really important, and you can do something like that too. Another thing that I can recommend for you guys to get clients at the beginning, and I've learned this from a lot of my students. A lot of my students that they took the classes and then they didn't know what to do. So they were starting to promote themselves, they were starting to post a lot, and then they started to post on Facebook groups. So let's say you are in Boston, so go on a Boston group on Facebook and post. Go on ChatGPT, make your post to be very attractive, very catchy, because think about something, guys. We didn't have this before. When I started 2018, we didn't have ChatGPT. We didn't have all those platforms to make your life easier. So go on ChatGPT, create the description, create the text, and then go on Facebook and put that description on Boston groups, right? Hey, I'm a beginner lash artist. I'm trying to get more hands-on and practice more because I just finished a professional training class and I just want to improve my skills. So with that being said, I'm going to offer 10 full sets for free for the first 10 people. Of course, nobody knows if you already have 5 people through your door or if you already had 10, right? You decide that. But it's just an amazing offer to attract some clientele. And then people are going to be like, oh my God, a full set of lashes for free, why not? So now, Once you get this client through the door, you have to create an amazing, a beautiful, and a perfect set for that client, guys, to come back. If that client is going to come back, think about something. You didn't lose any money because your mind is like, oh my god, but I lost a full set of lashes, which is about, let's say, $150 to $200 at the beginning for a classic set. But no, guys, you have to switch that type of mentality and think about in a long term. Okay, I'm going to have this client through the door, I'm going to create a full set, I'm going to create a beautiful set, and then from here all I need is to have this client come back. If you already have this client come back every 2 or every 3 weeks, think about, guys, in a long term, how much money is worth this client in a year? A couple, $1,000. So you already won one client. The only thing that you have to do is to make sure that you give them a clean, a correct, and a healthy set in order for them to come back. So don't rush the sets. Don't feel like, oh my god, I'm taking too long. No, it's totally normal, it's totally fine. You also have to explain from the beginning, hey, I'm just at the beginning, I'm trying to improve my skills, I'm trying to finish as fast as I can, but I just want to do the set correctly and healthy. As soon as the client hears that, trust me, they already know that they are in a good hands. So this is very important, guys. I think this is one of the biggest promotion that we had, and I did that when I started, and I taught my students to do the same because it was something that worked for me, so I wanted to work for you guys too. So one thing that I recommend if you are beginner lash artist. Another thing that I did, to be honest, on my profile, I was posting, guys. Even if I was at the beginning, I didn't care about my accent, I didn't care about my language, I didn't care whatever people are gonna say. I wanted to be active because you, as a beginner lash artist, you always have to think in a long term. Where I was 2018 when I started and where I am 2026 right now. 8 years later, I'm the best lash trainer in the Boston area. I'm international speaker, I'm international judge, and I'm a content creator. So you never know, you always have to think, even if you're small. And I've learned that. I was listening to a podcast not too long ago and said, create a business that when you wake up, you love where you go and you love what you do. So of course you're not gonna love and you're not gonna enjoy the lashes from day one because it's not easy. It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of patience, but slowly, guys, you're going to master things one at a time. And then you're going to love and you're going to do everything with so much passion. Because I remember how I was and I remember how I started. So being active is just going to bring you to in a better way, and it's just going to bring you up more and more. Because let me give you an example. I'm the best and I'm the #1 lash trainer in Boston. But why? #1, because I'm very active. It doesn't matter if I work, if I'm out, if I'm in vacation, or if I'm not here in the salon, I still have platforms that are going to do my posts every day. Even if I'm not here, even if I'm away, even if I'm in a hospital, even if who knows what happened with me, I have platforms and apps that they post content every single day for me. So that means Cosmina is always active and Cosmina is always there to post. Okay, so like I said earlier, don't feel bad about like I said earlier, don't feel bad about you're not talking correctly. English is not your first language. Who cares about that, guys? I'm not here to listen to your accent. I'm here to learn something from you. If you give me something that I can implement into my sets, done. I'm done. I'm going to watch you forever and I'm gonna go back into your videos all the time because I know you're going to give me something that is going to help me in my business. take care of your social media like it's your baby, okay? Because that's exactly the way I do. And what else helped me at the beginning? Oh, the third one that really helped, and even now, after 8 years, I still do that. I take models. I take models because when you do models, you can play more with them. You can take a lot of pictures. You can take a lot of angles. You can, ask them, oh, stay like that, do like that, look up, look down. When you have a regular client, you can really do something like this because probably they always on rush. They're like going to work or they have something to do after. Taking models is a whole different game than doing a regular client. So even now, like I said, guys, even now I still take models if I want to create a different style, if I want to create a new style or new technique, I want to test some lashes, I want to do a different color. You can always be creative when it comes to lashes, because it's not like, oh, I just do classic, I do volume and I'm done. That's why you are different than the rest of beginners lash artists. Why? Because you do something different. And when you do something different, obviously you already stand up more than the other beginners lash artists, okay? So I think that's good for now. If you implement those in your business and if you start doing this as soon as you can, be active, post as much as you can, do the offer with a picture before and after, and then post every single day. Then from here you don't need to do anything else. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I help you a little bit if you are beginner slash artist. If you have any specific questions regarding anything from beginning, or if you're struggling with something, feel free to DM me. I'll be so happy to answer. I'm the one who answers all the time. So I'm here for you because I know the struggle when you first start. And don't go anywhere because I'm going to play another video. What are the things and what are the products that you can use as a beginner lash artist?